students. I am here. Today I am going to teach you here chapter number 11, time. Today my topic is addition and subtraction of time. Addition and subtraction of time. So let's start. Please open your book. Here chapter number 11 and that page is here. Page number 138 of your book Discovering Maths. Okay, get ready with your book, notebook, pen, pencil. Okay, so let's start here. Practice zone 4, that is based on addition and subtraction of time and some of the word problems. So we are dealing with today addition and subtraction of time. So first addition. Question is here. Add the following 6 hours, 36 minutes, 20 seconds and 10 hours, 12 minutes and here how many? 60 seconds. Okay. So as you know, hours bigger unit, after hours minutes smaller, then the smallest here, now here seconds. Okay, we will write like this: hours, minutes and seconds. So how we will write hours below hours, 6 hours below hours, then 36 minutes we will write just below minutes here, 36 seconds, 20 we will write 20 here, and 10 hours. 10 hours will be written here, then 12 minutes, minutes below minutes and 60 seconds. Then we will add. You should take here some gap space. Okay, you should give here some space between hours minutes and minutes seconds. Okay, you should not write too close. Okay, so now add. Start from here seconds. Start from here second. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 6, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. Now this is 60. Now when you look at here, these are 80 seconds. These are 80 seconds. But we know कि in 1 minute there are how many seconds? 60 seconds. In 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So we will take 60 minutes from here, 60 seconds from here, and in minute one will be added. In minute 1 minute will be added, and from here we will subtract 60, and in minute it will be, from seconds I will subtract 60 to convert those 60 into minutes. I have 80 seconds. From 80 seconds I will take 60 seconds and those 60 seconds will be converted into 1 minute. 1 minute, and that 1 minute will be added in minutes. Okay. So here you will be with 20 seconds, 49 minutes here and 60 hours. Okay. Your answer will be here 16 hours, 49 minutes and 20 seconds. If you are having minutes or second more than 60, then you can convert those. If seconds are more than 60, you will take 60 seconds, then you will convert those 60 seconds into minute. If minutes are more than 60, then those minutes, 60 minutes will be converted into 1 hour. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes, and if there are minutes more than 60, then you will subtract 60 minutes, then those 60 minutes will be added here in hours. Okay, you will do like this. Okay, I have taken question number 1 here, B part. Okay, B part. So here let's subtract now subtraction. Have you done? Please note down. Please note down. You should open your book with you and book, notebook, pen, pencil, and do the calculation along with me. Okay. Then comes question number here 2. First A part you will do yourself. First part is 13 hours 45 minutes and 20 hours 30 minutes. Okay. So add, we can take add here. Okay. A part again, adding 13 hours 45 minutes. Write hours, minutes. 13 hours 45 minutes, 25 hours 30 minutes. Okay. 13 hours 45 minutes, 25 hours 30 minutes. You are adding. Okay. And I am also adding for you. Here you will start from here. 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 3, 7, 3 plus 5, 8 and 3. Now you look at here, when this is 75 minutes. These are 75 minutes. And from these 75 minutes, what will you do? You will subtract 60 minutes, and those 60 minutes will be converted into 1 hour, because 60 minutes make 1 hour, and that 1 hour will be added in hours. Okay, you are left with here 39 hours, 39 hours 15 minutes. Okay, then subtraction is there. Subtract 6 hours 30 minutes 12 seconds from here. After what is written after from, that will be written first. घटाइए इसको 6 hours 30 minutes 12 seconds को घटाइए इसमें से 20 hours 45 minutes and 20 seconds. So वैसे लिखिए hours, minutes and seconds. This will be written first. From, after from के बाद जो भी लिखा है that will be written 20 hours 45 minutes 20 seconds. Then 6 hours 30 minutes 12 seconds. We are going to subtract. Okay. 20 minus here 12, it is 8 seconds. 8 seconds 5 15 minutes and 14 hours. In this way you will subtract. Okay. When seconds are less, here less and here it is more, then you will convert 1 minute into second to make seconds. You can't take carry directly. You will have to convert minutes into second. If it is here, suppose 10 seconds were there, then you will have to convert from here. You should take 1 minute from here and convert that minute into seconds. Then minute will be reduced by 1. Okay. Then please note down. Then we can solve other question. Hours 15 minutes from 32 hours 40 minutes. Write hours, minutes. Subtract 2 hours 15 minutes. this is 30 hours 25 minutes. Okay. So third question, what time will it be? 6 hours 10 minutes after 7:50 p.m. What will be the time? You will calculate here after 6 hours 10 minutes. What will be the time? You will do this yourself. Question number 3 and 4. Question number 3 and 4. Practice zone 4. Do question 3 and 4. Okay. So stay alert, stay healthy, and mask yourself and keep proper distance from each other, and always be protected from COVID-19. Thank you. Take care of you. Have a nice day. Thank you.